In history, many people have dreamed of eternity. Despite rapidly developed medications, we still suffer from aging. You may not believe it, I'm also feeling aging every day, and I'm sure you do. Don't you feel increasing wrinkles on your face, or get easily exhausted from simple tasks? What about your senses? If you need a distance to read small text on your mobile phones or books, your body is sending you a signal of aging or senescence. You're aging every day with minor changes that you may not detect. However, those drivers will eventually lead to a huge outcome as seen in this image. Then why can't we keep our health and youth forever? To answer this, we are going to unravel why we age, focusing on those three key factors: cellular damage, genetic programming, and environmental influences. Firstly, aging is largely attributed to the gradual accumulation of cellular damage over time. One significant culprit is telomeres damage. Telomeres are the protective caps on the ends of our chromosomes that contain DNA. Each time a cell divides for our physical growth or repairing damaged cells, telomeres shorten, eventually reaching a critical length that signals the cell to stop dividing. This process, called cellular senescence, contributes to the aging of tissues and the decline in regenerative capacity. Another form of damage is oxidative stress, which occurs when free radicals or unstable molecules in our body damage cells and DNA. This damage impairs cellular functions and leads to the decline of tissues and organs. For example, oxidative stress is the key factor of age-related conditions such as Alzheimer's that leads to memory loss and cognitive decline, and cardiovascular diseases like heart attacks and strokes. Next is the genetic programming of aging. In other words, we are programmed to die at certain ages. Scientists have discovered that our genes play a significant role in regulating lifespan. For instance, the longevity genes influence pathways that control stress resistance, metabolism, and DNA repair. Moreover, aging is regulated by biological clocks, like the epigenetic clock, which tracks chemical modifications to our DNA over time. These changes, called epigenetic marks, can turn genes on or off and affect our cell functions. Over time, these marks accumulate errors, disrupting normal cell behavior and contributing to aging. Lastly, aging is influenced by environmental and lifestyle factors. Poor diet, lack of exercise, and chronic stress can accelerate cellular damage and inflammation, while healthy habits can slow these processes. For example, calorie restriction and intermittent fasting have been shown to activate pathways associated with autophagy, which removes damaged cellular components. What you eat also determines how you age. If you want to maintain your healthy daily life, here is my recommendation. Try to avoid accelerated aging food and choose anti-aging foods such as blue fruits, green leafy vegetables, and dark chocolate. Similarly, regular exercise improves mitochondrial function and reduces inflammation, both of which play roles in aging. Lack of exercise can bring about loss of muscle and bone mass, weakening your physical health. Work out regularly, that's how you can be younger. Please know that chronic stress contributes to cellular damage, disruption of mitochondrial function, and impaired collagen production. I know it is inevitable sometimes, but try to manage it by having leisure activities that help you to relax and be mindful. Humans age due to a combination of cellular damage, genetic programming, and environmental factors. While aging is a natural process of living organisms, scientific advances are shedding light on ways to slow or even reverse some processes. By adopting healthy lifestyles and supporting research into aging, we can aim not only to live longer, but also to age more gracefully and healthily. Thank you for your attention.